Hello, my name is Carol May Polarca, and I'm here today with my fellow students to show you how to solve one of the problems we researched. We are Group 2, and this is our performance task in statistics and probability. This problem is what we call the test concerning proportion. According to the research, Teen Social Media and Technology 2022 claims that teenagers prefers to use TikTok with average of 60%. A random sample of 30 teenagers in Balisasan, Misamis Oriental are interviewed. 20 teenagers says that they prefer to use TikTok at 0.05 level of significance. Find out whether the percentage of the teenagers who prefers TikTok is different from 60%. As you can see, HO represents the null hypothesis and HA represents the alternative hypothesis. 60% is the population mean, and as you can see, the alternative hypothesis is not equal to 60%, which means it is a two-tailed test.
The level of the significance is already given in the problem. The only thing you need to do is to identify it. The level of the significance in this problem is A equals to 0.05. Step number 2. We will use the level of significance or alpha equals to 0.05 to solve the problem.
Hi, fellow Rotarians. Praise be Jesus and Mary. Step 3. Collect the data and compute the test statistic. From the information provided, we know that the sample size is 30 and the number of teenagers who prefer TikTok is 20. We can calculate the sample proportion by dividing the number of teenagers who prefer TikTok by the sample size. So P hat equals 20 divided 30 is equal to 0.67. The test statistic for comparing a single proportion to a hypothesized value formula is Z equals P hat minus P divided by the square root of P times 1 minus P divided by N, where P is the sample proportion, the 60%, and N is the sample size. Let's break it down step by step using the values provided. Subtract the sample proportion, which is 0.67, to the population proportion, 0.60. The answer is 0.07. After we get the answer, we will solve the population SD. 1 minus 0.60 is equal to 0.4. Multiplied to 0.60 and the answer is 0.24. So 0.24 divided to the 30, which is the sample size, and the answer is 0.09. Since we already have the answers, the 0.07 divided by to the 0.09, the answer is 0.78.
When you look at the table, 0.78 is 78%. So the hypothesis of this is in the table. The both angle shaded as 1.96. 0.05 is divided by 2. So that's why in the table there 0.025 the answer is 0.78. As the percentage of 78, the 78 is 0.45.
Since the computed test statistic Z equals positive negative 0.78 falls within the non-rejection region, critical value positive negative 1.96 accept the null hypothesis and reject the alternative hypothesis. This indicates that the 60% teenagers prefer to use TikTok. This result is considered to be significant at 0.05 level.
That's all. Thank you.